Hello everyone, it's Mindy and I have something different here. Different for me. I ordered from a company I'd never ordered from before. Now, I've heard about this company for a long time and I have ordered some other items from them, but not diamond paintings. So this is from Munimade. Munimade has started selling diamond paintings. I don't know how long it's been now. And I've gone and I've looked and there was a couple things I liked and I didn't purchase. Well, let me tell you about this one. First of all, let's get it out of the box and let's see what we have. So this is how it comes in the box. Okay, so they do not have a branded box, but the diamond painting goes in. So it's in a bag like this. Okay. I think there was something else in here. There's a couple things in here. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's see. We got that. We got this. It says thank you. The thank you card. Has my name on it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for purchasing from Munimade. It is my wish that your order can bring you even just the slightest bit of joy and happiness today. Enjoy your goodies. And there's all their social medias from Munimade. I mean, I have several Munimade trays. I like Munimade trays. And I love the artist. So Munimade has licensed artwork. They have a rewards program. You can earn Munimade points and things like that. All right, so what do we have? Let's see what's in here first. It says freebie on it. We got a freebie. Yay. What's in our little freebie bag? Oh, those are pretty. Whoa, those are super pretty. They're glitter drills. Round. Vermilion. Oh, look at those. Those are like bright orange. And they are glittery. Wow, those are pretty. Can you see the glitter in them? Let's see. It's hard to tell. They always want to show you their back sides when I try to do this. There we go. How's that? There. There you can see some glitter. Pretty. Very pretty. Wow. Those are bright, like a bright orangey color. Love it. Thank you for the freebie. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and purchase when I saw they were advertising some oopsie paintings. So I was like, oopsie, they're discounted, a nice little discount. And what the oopsie was, as far as I can tell, is that instead of one sheet of plastic over the painting, there's two. Like the plastic wasn't cut long enough, and so there was something with the covering. I was like, I'll take a discount any day for some plastic, right? Okay, so here's how it looks. Okay, it explains here. Let's see what it says. There's even a note here about the oopsie thing. Okay, let's get it out. Set that aside. Let's look at this first. This is an oopsie diamond painting. The plastic cover on the kit was applied incorrectly in two different pieces by an old manufacturer that we're not using anymore, and we apologize for the inconvenience. We hope you enjoy the small discount on this product to compensate for that error, and thank you for understanding that this is not our normal standard or quality in our kits. Okay, plastic. All right, I'll take a discount for some plastic. There's a tag here and a ribbon, and the tag has the diamond painting. Let's undo this. I can bring this up closer that way. Okay, so here's what we have. It is called Nightfall by Cat Fedora. I like Cat Fedora. I think she's an amazing artist. And I just love this picture of this girl who's just sitting there with her stack of books and her pets, her bookshelf, looking out into the night sky. I thought that was super pretty. I've looked at it several times and I decided, hey, there's a discount, we'll do it. So what do we have? I've never seen a Munimade before. So we have a soft back canvas. We have pinked edges, and we have poured glue, and it's a nice thick plastic. I will give it that. I mean, unless they redid the whole plastic. I thought I read somewhere that they just tried to trim the plastic that was on it and make it a little better. I don't know. Let's see what we get. What do we get? Okay, so the painting is rolled backwards because you can do that with poured glue. Oh, I see. Oh my gosh. Okay. This was well worth, I mean, this is not much of a problem if you ask me. So A discount for this? Yeah, okay. All right, they have a sticker sheet. Are these cut individually? Let's see. Oh, this is interesting. Very interesting. So this has two different types of little symbols. Now, yeah, these are individually cut. So you'll notice it's number 1 on the canvas. It has the symbol and the DMC code. But it also has this little round symbol, which is the same symbol that matches. So I'm assuming you get this if you like the full symbol, and they give you these little round ones if you just want the symbol only on your containers. Interesting. I've never seen anything like that before. That's kind of cool. All right, so we have 51 colors. And down here at the bottom, it's very clearly labeled that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And look at the stickers a different color. That's kind of cool too. They got some neat little features here on their sticker sheet. Here's the picture of the diamond painting, Nightfall. You can put a start and end date here, and all the information about your kit is here. Round, how many diamonds are, the size is 60 by 75, and that's their SKU number. Yeah, very interesting. So I don't know if you like those little round jars, I'm certain those would be great. Just put on top of your round jars, just the little symbol only. That's cool. It gives you some options. Interesting. All right. All right, here's the drills. They come in pre-bagged baggies. And again, there's their SKU number there. All right. Somewhere in there, oh, there's the ABs. They're on the top side. Okay, we'll set those over there. And let's look at this painting. Let's look at it. All right, here we go. Which way is which? Which way is which? Let's go this way. It's a big boy, a big girl, whatever. Look at it. Nice. It's super clear already. It's clear. It's crisp. I like that about it. Okay, we have a legend over here on the left side. We have a legend up here with a thumbnail and the size. At the top, it says Munimade. And down here, we have social media, support the artist, Cat Fedora, and Munimade.com. Over here, we have all of the specs. Again, all the specs are down there. All right, so if you look at this, this looks beautiful, okay? And I was like, 2 sheets of plastic. I was expecting like a plastic, like across the middle. No, it's right here. Here's the extra sheet right here on the edge. So, I mean, you can't tell. I mean, you can't hardly tell. All right. I like it. Isn't she cute though? I mean, look at the books, the bookshelf, her plant. She got some garlandy stuff up in her window looking out at the moon. And look, we got a planet. Anyhow, I love this. There's her dog and her cat just chilling out with her. Love it. The plastic is a nice thick plastic, which I appreciate that all day long, the thick plastic. Okay, let's go down here to the bottom. This symbol right here, this symbol, I will say right off the bat, could have had white lettering because, look at it. Ooh, it is dark. It is dark. Let's see if I can get it without the glare. See that R? I would have preferred that to have a white lettering, but, you know, at least it's not mixed with other colors, which would make it more difficult. Here you can kind of tell all of this dark is the symbol R. All of that is. But look at the rest of it. See, like this one here too. I think some of these are a little darker than I would prefer. I would have liked white on that probably, and maybe some white lettering here. But, you know, that's just, you know, that's getting, you know, particular. And these are kind of dark. They do have some that have white lettering. I just don't understand why they couldn't have done some more white lettering on some of these. Maybe they thought it would conflict with the white next to it. I don't know, but I mean, everything's clear. That's the good thing about it. It's super clear, easy to read. I mean, like, look at this section here. Everything is easy to read, easy to decipher what it is, all of that. So anyhow, very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right, let's look at drills. See what we get for our drills here. And then we'll look at ABs and see where those might go. I already know where one of them goes. I already spied that one. Spied it with my little eye, right? Okay, so individually bagged round drills. They look really good. Grays, a lime green, a lot of blues. We're going to have a lot of these dark blue colors. That's a bluish gray, blue, bluish gray, purples. You know me, I love the purples. What else do we get? That's another blue. A couple more blues. 823, dark blue. Tan. That's a pretty, pretty green. Oh, I bet you it's going to go in here. Like her curtains. That will be pretty. Another gray. What else? They're all in order, nicely in order. Browns and greens. Little pink. $9.39. Oh, yay. $9.39. Is that the R? Let's see. No, it's not. It's an up arrow. I don't know where that's at. There's a lot of it. There are 3 bags of that. And then a couple more blues. Dusty blues. Okay, come on. These guys are kind of messed up here. Come on. Let's get you all out here. Oh, mulberry color. Then we have $37.99. We have some browns. There's just our color palette. Pinks, greens, pretty. Okay. One more regular drill. He's hanging out there. And then here's our AB colors. All right. We got 4 ABs. So we have a white AB. We have a pink. We have 2 different shades of greens. Not very many ABs. I will say that. That's not a lot of AB. But let's see where they go. 51 is the white. And I already know where the white goes. And it goes exactly where you would think it goes, which is the moon. The moon and these few stars get the white AB. Okay, and that's the only place I see that. The pink. This pink, it's a dot. So let's see. Is it over here? No. Where is the dot? The dot, the dot, the dot. Okay, you'd think it would be easy to find. There's not a ton of pink on here. No, it's not there. Oh, it's these flowers. So in these flowers right here, you get the AB. Is that it? Like I said, there's not a ton of AB on this. That's it. So the flowers get AB. So the pink goes there. Remember, the white goes there. And then we have these 2 greens. So I'm going to kind of look for these together. It's an alien and like the 3 balls. I call them the three balls. Okay, the alien is the greener green. The other one's the yellowy green. So the greener green is down here in the plants and here in the plants. And the yellowy green is down in here. Just a couple little spots right there. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, this book over here is this light green. And so are these books right here. These 2 books here have that light green. The darker green, the alien, is in the plants, in the leaves. Okay, just a little bit in each of the leaves. I'll bring you up and I'll show it to you. I'll bring it up. So you'll get just a few little specks of green in the leaves. And I think it's just here. No, there's some at the top too. In these leaves right here, there's a little bit. All right, so like I said, it's not a ton of AB, but I mean, they have some good placement where the ABs are. Focus in on the leaves, get a little shimmer on the leaves, the flower, the leaves down here in the plant. And then the books will be pretty in AB. Just like 3 books. 1, 2, 3 books get some AB. So it's very pretty. I like it a lot. And like I said, I like Kat Fedora. As an artist, she's got some cool things. And I mean, everything looks great. Everything looks really good. So there you have it, folks. That is my first purchase from Munimade. And for this being the problem issue that got it discounted, I'm fine. Just fine with that, right? That is not that big a deal. So you can feel the plastic here now. But when I first pulled it out, I couldn't even tell where the 2 sheets of plastic were. So there you have it. I'll link this below. And remember, Munimade does sell trays and other items. You might want to check those out if you go looking at the website. So there you have it. All right, that's it for now, guys. I'm going to put this all away and clean this up. And I hope you enjoyed the video and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, maybe subscribe and come back and see more videos. And thank you to everybody who's returning. And I'll see you real soon in another video. And there's always another video linked at the end. If you get to the end of the video, there's always another video that pops up there that might be of interest to you. So I want to check that out. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. I hope you have a great day. And go check out Munimade. See you soon, everybody.